Hey, what's up? There's Molly and there's Coco. Hi, Molly. Hi, Molly. There's Coco. Hey, Coco. Hi, Coco. Hi, Coco. Hi, Coco. There's Coco. She's so cute. Coco is so cute. Molly is so cute. Molly and Coco are buddies. This is what Coco did to Molly. As you can see. She is teasing. Coco, Molly. Hi, Coco. Hi, Molly. Hi, Molly. Hi, Coco. Hi, Molly. Hi, Coco. Molly is older than Coco. Molly is 7 years old, and Coco is 1 years old. Molly is 7 years old, and Coco is 1 year old. I repeat again. Molly is 7 years old. Molly is 1 year old. Yep. Molly and Coco are best buddies. And Molly and Bessie too. And then Bella. And Duff. We got. Okay, calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Okay, calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Hey, calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. I know. Okay, stay. Come on. Okay, calm down. Just calm down. Okay. Hey, calm down. Calm down. Hey, hey. No. Just calm down. Hey. Calm down. Could it stop licking? Sit. There's Molly, Bessie, Coco, Bella, and Garfield. So there's 5. I'm going to make sure. Okay. There's Coco, Molly, Bessie, and Bella. And Garfield. Yeah. So there's 5 animals. But anyway, see ya. See ya. See ya.